can.
This is ITV1. We're interrupting normal programming for an important announcement. This is ITV1. The Meteorological Office have issued a warning for a climatic event. This warning is effective until sunrise tomorrow morning, which is estimated to be at 7:02 a.m. As part of this, you are advised not to observe this event with your eyes. Please stand by for more information. You're watching ITV1. The updated advice from the Met Office is not to look at the night sky or directly at the moon. You should not look at any mirrors or windows until sunrise tomorrow. Please stand by for further information. Well, we're very sorry for the disruption here on ITV1. We're working hard to fix the issue. Once again, please follow the advice issued by the Met Office and avoid looking at the night sky or the moon, either directly or through a mirror or window. Please do not follow any other advice. Please stand by. Wow, look at the moon. It's beautiful.
Look at the moon. Look at the moon. Look at the moon.